Okay, in this video we got a 1996 Ford Explorer 6-cylinder 4.0. It's got a really low idle. It won't stay running at all at times. So we're going to place the idler air control valve, also known as the IAC valve. Here's that. There's a part number for you from Advanced Auto Parts. So let's get this changed and see if it fixes the problem. Okay, the piece we're replacing is right here. This is the idle air control valve. So this is real easy to replace and take off. Just unplug it in there, 10mm socket. It's 2 bolts in a connector, that's all it is. Very easy. That's it. Oh, there's the valve. Here's the old one. And the new one comes with a gasket. So let's get that new one put on. Okay, first thing you need to do, there's a little gasket in here you got to take off. Just get a pair of needle nose pliers, and that pops right out, just like that. And we'll put the new gasket in. Okay, that's that. That gasket's in. I'm going to take this gasket, line it up, put the IAC valve on there, get your screws. Always hand start them. You don't want to cross thread anything. Finger tight. Bottom one in. Alright, it's finger tight. Get your 10mm socket. Tighten it up, not too tight. It's on. Plug it back in. And that's on. Let's go start up, see what fixes our problem. Okay, we got our IAC valve installed, and let's start up, see if it runs now. Looks like it fixed it. RPMs are good. And it's running at a good idle. That's how you change IAC valve on a 1996 Ford Explorer 4.0. Thanks for watching.